This is the DeWalt unboxing of the DeWalt DCS590 WW1. We bought it on special. It came with this free blade, a 62, 7 1/4. So
280 bucks.
280 bucks. The only time we buy this stuff is when it's on super closeout deal. So, as you can see, it is black and yellow, the DeWalt, which my son, who's behind the camera, is now saying that Flex can give DeWalt a good run for its money. But anyway, here's a bag that you can use. Got some nice rubber for the bottom, so it's a decent bag. Instructions, which nobody reads. And check it out. This is the deal. Comes with this big. You said this is the flat tab, whatever it is.
Yeah, this is the tabless 8 amp hour power pack.
8 amp hour, baby. So that battery itself is worth what, 160?
They list for like what, 200 without a deal. So this was 280 with the saw and the charger.
It's got the DC8
8 amp.
118. It's fan cooled, and it's got the 2 LEDs there that tell you if it's charged or not, which I like those better than those whatever the ones are without the fan. So.
Yeah, this is the nicer charger.
Let's check it out. Here comes the baby.
Look at it.
Box. Ooh, man.
Pretty nice,
There
polished.
it is. The XR. Okay, so nice. This thing moves so you can. It goes to 57 degrees. So does the whatchamacallit, the Flex. So that goes to 57 degrees. So pretty cool, pretty substantial plate. That's pretty thick. I mean, if you drop it, yeah, you're gonna bend it, but it's got a nice bevel. And what we do when we're working on finishes, we put masking tape on here so it does not mar your surface. So the first thing we're gonna do is put masking tape on it. Nice.
Yeah. 13 amp equivalent.
Nice big control here so you can get your depth adjustment, your plunge adjustment. So that's pretty nice. It's a DCS590. This is the saw itself. Brushless.
Is this the power detect? I don't think this is the power detect.
Power detect. Got your handhold here.
I think that's the power detect puts out maybe like 100 more watts than this. I'm not sure if it is.
So when you're cutting stuff and you want to start, nice big, so you can move your guard.
Yeah, the guard's pretty good.
I mean, that's...
How's the guard wobble? Is it
None?
No. That's good then.
So it's also got a brake. So when you let off the trigger, it does not keep spinning to cut off your finger.
Yeah.
And it does come with, in the box, a 7 1/4 El Cheapo 24 tooth carbide. I gotta tell you, nothing works like that blade that we got from Metabo. That thing on the 12-inch Metabo and on the Metabo circular saw, it's got a different kind of blade configuration, different teeth configuration. There are probably half as many teeth, but I think that thing
it's like a trim blade, but it still cuts good.
Man. So, and it's got the thing so you can hang it on your belt or your ladder or whatever you want. So
you didn't want the 60 volt one. That's just the 20 volt.
No. I have batteries. The only reason I'm buying DeWalt right now is because I have all DeWalt batteries. I might have switched to Flex, but I got all DeWalt batteries. And the tools are good. I mean, it's good. If you're going to go, how many amps and watts is this?
So that's 13 amps equivalent. It's like 900 watts.
So what's the Flex? It's more.
The Flex is 1500 watts.
But that's because the Flex has 24 volt and not 20 volts. So you know what?
Well, even with the DeWalt 60 volt, the DeWalt 60 volt's just barely stronger than that Flex. That Flex was on sale. He almost got it, the 7 1/4. 200 bucks with the 6 amp stacked in the fast charger. But he likes DeWalt. He's got all DeWalt.
I've got all DeWalt chargers, so I can go anywhere. I got 4 of these chargers. I could set them up at multiple apartment buildings, multiple spots in our garage.
Yeah.
I don't have to play around.
He's got like 20 different DeWalt tools.
Ready to put the battery on it?
Yeah, is it even charged?
We didn't check that. It's going to have something, maybe 1 bar. 1 bar. So, with no load, 1 bar.
I mean, we have
Ready? Brake is pretty brake is pretty effective.
Pretty
So you
quiet.
can be like this, cutting, and you go to put it down, it's already stopped. So that's good, instead of having that thing spin. So it's got a ruler here that goes from 0, 1, 2, 3, so it's pretty close to the blade. So if you want to cut an inch, boom, you go right there. That's an improvement. I don't have this on my older one. It's
Yeah.
also got an inch measure here. So
It's got
pretty
the
good.
nice light there too.
It's got some up. Oh, look at that. It has an LED light down there.
So that's pretty good. He needed the corded or the cordless saw. He's using an old Makita corded.
Corded is better.
No,
I have, yes.
corded
Because
is not better.
your battery doesn't go dead. So when you're doing long days work, like some people.
Well, you got the
you got
Metabo.
long days work. Yeah, you go through a couple batteries. If I plug that in, I'm tearing up all floors. That thing will go all day, and I don't have to change anything. So, you know what?
If you needed the
Good.
corded,
Just
you have the
convenience, and that's why. How much did I buy it for?
280.
So really, it's $180 for the saw and $100 for the battery and the charger. I wouldn't have paid more. Don't need it because my cord shit.
No, I like the cordless stuff. He likes the corded.
But
The
that's it.
the
It's
Metabo
unboxed.
is cordless and corded.
Metabo's good. That's why I said Metabo's good.
If you wanted that
I would have
corded,
kept the Metabo if I had all Metabo batteries. But sure as heck, I'm gonna have one battery. I'm gonna be cutting, and guess what's gonna happen? I'm gonna run out, and then that saw
well, that already happened, yeah.
throw through the window.
Yeah, it already happened to him, and he's like, "Why the hell do I have this Metabo saw?"
Right. Why? I have one Metabo battery, one Metabo saw. I have one DeWalt saw and 20 DeWalt batteries. So see how that works?
Yeah, well, that Metabo saw was $99. I bought that when I let him use it. So now we got this DeWalt. We got the Flex worm drive in my bag below here.
Look at the size of this motor casing. It's not a worm drive.
Ooh.
I mean, yeah, sure. This
Need
is
that
bigger.
Flex. So this is the 25 amps.
So, but you know
That
what?
thing is a beast.
You always concerned about weight in
Well, that's with
ounces.
that battery.
This thing is too damn big.
Well, you have this huge 10 amp. Oh, this
yeah.
battery is like 1.5 pounds.
Yeah, but I'm just talking physically the saw, like, yeah.
So how many watt hours are in this battery?
Don't know. How would you find out?
It says it right on there.
Battery pack, 144 WH. So 144.
This says 240 watt hours. So the Flex, since it's 24
Yeah, this is a
volt,
20 volt.
you get a lot more watt hours for the amp hours since it's 24 volts.
Good.
But that's for really cutting stuff. That's just for light cuts if he wants to cut some
You
shit.
guys want the non-fan version of the charger? They'll be out in the garbage. You can swing by and pick it up.
Yeah,
It's a 3-year warranty. Flex is how long? 5 years?
5 years.
So if I was starting from 0, I would have done the Flex. I would do the Flex, but since I'm not, and I have all these DeWalt batteries, and DeWalt's a good tool, sticking with DeWalt. So
Yeah, Flex needs to
Flex,
come
if
out
you're
with.
watching and you want us to switch, send us the stuff. We'll switch. We'll switch tomorrow. We'll switch upon arrival.
Yeah, no, we need more tools from Flex.
Show
They
them
need to
the car.
fix their
Show
marketing.
them the Jag.
Yeah, Flex, we could do some stuff for
Cut it
you.
in half with Flex.
Yeah, we'll cut it in half. But Flex needs to fix their marketing because we have no idea when new tools are coming. No updates on that. What's on the pipeline? So Flex needs to fix their marketing. Then I'll fully switch to them. Got a lot of their stuff, a lot of DeWalt tool too. So we'll see. All right. Like and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.